Lesson 21, Exit Ticket. You're going to be completing the number sentences and number bonds. You're going to be working with 10 and some more ones. So 10 ones and some more ones. So if you look at the number 17, how can I make that with 10 ones and some more ones? If you need to use linking cubes, you should go and get them. You will need 17 linking cubes. So if you need them, pause this video and go get 17 linking cubes. Welcome back. Now that you have your cubes, if you need them, break them into two parts, 10 and some more. Now come down and fill in the number sentence. So what number plus 7 equals 17? Then you're going to do the opposite. 17 equals what number plus 10? Don't forget to use your number bond to help you. You're going to complete this number bond in exactly the same way. How many ones here plus 3 ones equals 13? And don't forget to fill in the number sentences.